model, Fiat Ducato DETHLEFFS HYMER German NADE Motorhome 2.5 diesel excellent runner left-hand drive LHD. Body, beige, motorhome. Mileage, 90,918. Engine, 2,500 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Alternator needs replacing as it will not charge the battery correctly. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent condition, side wind-out awning, speedometer is in kilometres 146k. Features, 0 former keepers, this came to the UK in 2013 from Germany. Grin. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.